Okay, so I had this stitch file that I bought, I think, on Etsy last year. And I wanted to turn it into a patch because it actually does not fit on the beanies, the fold of the beanies. And my daughter wanted one on a beanie, so I turned it into a patch. And there's my little dog. He likes to hang out with me when I'm working. So you can see this one that's stitching out here is the final one. At the end of this video, I'll show you why I switched materials or fabrics, because I had two that were just not doing well and I wanted them to be neat. But I love this little file, and the only thing is on that ear right there on the right where it's stitching now, it didn't stitch all the way. It kind of had a raw stitch, and I've noticed when files do that, it's the file creator who made a mistake. But anyway, I still like the file, and it turned out pretty good. It did well in my machine. I just wish I had used matching bobbin fabric thread, because you can see some of that white coming through. But it did stitch neat. I didn't have any puckers on the final result, and it looks pretty good, other than that white thread just kind of peeking through at some of the points. So I will be making these, and you can either purchase the patch itself, just by itself, or you can purchase the beanie with the patch already ironed onto it. This is a good, stable iron-on backing. It stays pretty well. I've made other beanies for my daughter with patches, made them into patches, and they hold up pretty well under washing and drying. So yeah, anyway, just gonna let you finish watching the video, and you'll see from beginning to end. The first one I did that didn't turn out so well, and then the second one that had some puckering, and I actually switched from a stretch denim to just, I think it's a twill material. I'm not sure what that material is. It was a piece of scrap fabric that I had. The final one that I did was on a scrap fabric. So anyway, that's the process of making a patch. I'm enjoying doing these, and I want to do a lot more this holiday season. I actually have a whole box of beanies, some already done, and some I haven't put patches or designs on yet, but I plan on doing those. So if you have anything in particular you'd like to see or purchase, you can message me and let me know on my Facebook page, which is the same name as my account here. And so anyway, that's it. I'll just let you watch the rest. So you can see here, this first one started kind of just getting messy, and I think that's because I used the temporary spray adhesive on the back of that, and it gumped up my needle. And this one had a pucker in there. You can see it along one of the sides. The back looked great, but that pucker was bothering me, so I stopped it and started over with this one. And the final result looks really good, so there you go.